I have received some comments on my websites where teachers were asking about a best video creator to teach their kids. In this video, I will provide you only one solution that is best in my opinion. Before talking about software, I want to clarify that there is a difference between whiteboard and animation videos. Animation videos are cartoon types of videos. If you need a software for animation videos that is easy to use as well as cheap, then my recommendation is Create Studio. Whiteboard videos are where his hand is drawing everything. Personally, I suggest you to go with whiteboard videos for the teaching. I have three reasons for it. Number one, easy to use comparing with the animation videos. Number two, more number of assets. Every software come with built-in characters and other assets. I have seen that all the whiteboard software has more number of assets. Number three, you can create videos quickly. You only need to provide voiceover like I am providing in this video. Select an asset and then control asset animation to match with the voice. While in the animation videos you have to deal with the walking and other things that takes time. So what is the best software for whiteboard videos? I recommend Video Subscribe. There is an alternative to it. We will discuss about them at the end of this video. Video Subscribe provides you free trial. Coming to their paid plans, it will cost you $96 annually. There is no upsell. The main limitation of a free version is a watermark over videos. Now I want to provide you an overview of Video Subscribe. I have already installed it on my system. It is available for both Mac and Windows. Currently I'm in their free version. So guys, make sure you have an internet connection while using it. The first thing that I want you to do before creating any project is click on that gear icon. Then this max draw time, by default it is a 8 second. So maybe I suggest you to lower it down to 1 second or 2 second. It is up to you, but I don't think so that 2 second is a great idea. Then click on create new scene. So this is your dashboard where you will edit your videos. If you want to load your images, click on that image icon, and using this text you can add your text here. So let's add some. Let me show you actually what is available inside Video Subscribe library. These are some recent items that I've used. You can also use a search if you are looking for some specific item, but these items are also again divided into multiple categories. As you can see, callouts, almost every kind of objects available inside Video Subscribe. If I think as a teacher this animal assets will be very helpful for you, maybe you try to teach them ABC or some other things. And by the way, if you didn't find any specific kind of objects that you are looking for, then using this button you can import your own custom object. This global icon, it's one of my favorite feature. Use as T to provide image URL, and when you click on that button, it will automatically inside your project rather than first downloading through the browser then adding into your project. So you can directly add from the internet. There is one more thing, animated alphabet, basically ABC. If you want to teach them maybe or some desserts, I think that can be also helpful for you. So let's load some things here, maybe a kid. Oh, so yeah, here is our kids. This is your canvas. You can zoom in, zoom out. Actually there is a one special feature which is a camera object. Rather than creating multiple slides in the Video Subscribe, it will go from one camera position, move from one object to another. Let me show you a demo. So if you have a long video, then you have to make size smaller. Okay, and here, and show me and preview. This is your preview button. So yeah, if I edit here, make this size also small, and if we see preview right now, Yeah, did you see that it goes from one object to another? Because I am in the free trial, that's why you are seeing a lot of watermarks. In case you want to change the hand, you can change in hand from the here. uh, from my experience, there are more than 300 hands available inside the with subscribe that are again divided into multiple categories, as you can see on your screen. And by the way, now before applying anything, you can also apply a pin and some other kinds of hands, different kind of colors. My internet connection, I don't know what's wrong with it, like always. I don't know what kind of hand is this, but I don't want it. If you click on any of these things, it will show you an view. So before selecting, you can see what it will look like, and if you want to use it, click on that tick button. I don't want. And one more thing, for let's say for this object, you don't want to use what is the hand used for this object. So there is a one universal hand, and but for some specific objects, if you want to change it, click on that element properties, and here you can select a different hand for only this project. And there are some drawing settings, like in how much time you want that hand to draw this objects, maybe 1 second, 2 seconds, that in the starting we took it down to the 1 second. Then some other things, oh yeah, that you can see. And when you're done, click on that button. And this is for your tags. If you want to add, there are a lot of font families available. Sadly, you can't upload your own font family. If you are a teacher, I think that will not be a problem for you. Maybe if you are a marketer, you want to create a video ads, then it may be. But still, there are a lot of font families available inside Video Subscribe that you can use free of cost. And I don't know, have I talked about these features or not. Using this music button, I mean, there are royalty free music available that you can use for your videos, and using this button you can import your own music. And this is if you want to import directly from the internet. In case you want to provide voiceover, then use this button. And it is for selecting background. By default it is a white background, you can change the color. And there are some other background, total 9 backgrounds available inside Video Subscribe. Actually more than 9, I guess. So yeah, that is an overview. In the starting of the video, I was talking about an alternative is a Doodly. It will, there is a sale going on the Doodly, cost you $67. You probably thinking much cheaper than Video Subscribe. Should I purchase this? Basically, there are a lot of catch in their one-time payment. So once you make a payment of $67, this is their standard plan. They will upsell you enterprise plan at a cost of one-time payment $97. Here you are getting more number of characters and prop images. And honestly, if you are purchasing Doodly, I recommend you to upgrade to the enterprise plan, because these are really necessary. If you haven't upgraded, then later on you will upgrade definitely, and it will cost you a lot of more money. But still, with this 2 payment 67 plus 97, you cannot create colorful videos. All your videos will be black and white. To create colorful videos, you need to purchase their Doodly Rainbow is something that will help you to create colorful videos, which is almost necessary. I mean, you can also relate to, because we are living in 2020, and it will cost you another $67. The total cost of Doodly is $231. If I compare this plan with the Video Subscribe 96 yearly, in the Video Subscribe you have a more number of assets, more number of hands that you can choose, and some other things that makes one of the best solution for creating whiteboard videos. I have used both, and I think Video Subscribe is definitely better product than the Doodly, although it is more payment. But look at the longer picture. Maybe after 1 year you are not using any video animation software, and probably your financial condition is changed. That's why you know, instead of spending one time payment which is a 2 year cost, actually more than 2 year cost of video subscribe, I will recommend you to go with the video subscribe. Although you may think that it is a expensive, but this isn't, because you are getting more of features. So yeah, that is for this video. I hope you like it.